Welcome to this Miata episode of Not Another Car Vlog. This week, we'll be installing the Blackbird Fabworx GT3 Mark II roll bar. Seen right here. Arguably the king of all roll bars. And to get it in, first we have to pull out my old 4-point Hard Dog Sport bar. Start by removing the harnesses, taking out the seat, and pulling out the deck carpeting. You can see me doing this in slow motion here, which looks extra awesome. Sort of. Now here you can see me struggling with some of the hardware that's specific to the Hard Dog, and then taking out the chassis cockpit brace. Now after fighting out the brace and getting rid of the carpet, guess where my camera died? Yep, just as soon as I pulled the old bar out, which bolted to the bottom of the seatbelt tower and right there to the top. We'll look at that later when we talk about a typical installation. Now this is going to be an atypical installation because I'm not using stock seatbelts. Now there's that parcel tray we're about to cut, and it's cut. Whoa, wait, you didn't show me cutting the parcel tray. Alright, hold on, we'll show you where to cut here in just a second while I put some of this nice trim you can get off of Amazon around the edge. I used a Dremel tool, and I cut exactly like I cut every Miata when I put a roll cage in, and I follow body lines, as you can see by referencing the picture here. Hit pause. Screen grab. I used the lower seatbelt mounting bracket bolts to snug up the roll bar and center it. Then I drilled pilot holes with a very small bit, all of the locations. I used a 90-degree to drill the holes from the inside down, which you'll see here in a minute. After removing the inner fender liners, I drilled out the holes, taped it off so I could spray a little bit of rust-proof epoxy sealant, aka paint, before dropping the bolts through and bolting the backing brackets to the car. So those are the forward mounts, and now I followed the pilot holes I drilled earlier and drilled the 3 holes to do the rear mounts. Really easy. Cleaned up the extra shavings, and well, there's a roll bar. Plastics were already cut, so I started reinstalling them, and before you knew it, I had a complete install finished. Finished that off with some ammo skin, and started to finish reassembling the interior. Put the harnesses back together, cleaned up a little bit more, threw the steering wheel back on, and then begged my wife to come back out and help me with the hardtop. And we're done. Not bad for a weekend's work.